Oh, you're taking a video.
Like,
You're welcome.
Get it on that one.
Okay, you want it to be like...
Yeah.
And then ka, doom, ka, doom.
Where does it go?
Just
You have to like give me a
one,
1, 2.
Okay,
One,
okay.
2.
Take your troubles to the child. Find my laptop right there. Mom said, what's her Then your burdens will be lightened, and you'll surely find the way.
Like there's some things on that apple tree that could be cut too. I honestly feel like it's valid to go to the raccoon saloon. I know we've been there before, it's not necessarily new.
If it's a nice place to hang.
But it's so cute, and I feel like if they give us a pub table and I get a cider and you get a beer and we just hang there and play with one round of pool, that sounds hilarious.
Is it like
do something?
That's good.